Now that your ice cream is sliced into 4 pieces, take your popsicle sticks and just stick them right down in the center of those 4 pieces that you just made. Ooh, not only do I love ice cream, but I love Ben & Jerry's. I wanna know, share your favorite ice cream in the comments. Let's see if we have similar taste. Okay, perfect, that looks great. We're just gonna slide this over to the side and bring in our Oreos. Good old-fashioned Oreos is what I went for. Of course, there are so many suggestions these days. Now you can see here that I have a big Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna take a nice big chunk of these Oreos and I'm gonna throw them right here into this bag. This is a super, super easy way and a delicious treat. Yum, so good. Little fun. Okay, so now we have our bag of Oreos. We'll go ahead, zip that up, kind of get all of the air out. Grab yourself a hammer and we're just gonna go to town and start smashing up all of those Oreos. Nice and small. Ooh, I can smell the chocolate just like coming out from the bag.
Get your anger out.
Get your anger out. Here you go. You have a delicious treat and anger management therapy. Honestly, look at that. Just killing 2 birds with 1 stone. This is such a great technique too. Keeping it in the bag keeps all of those crumbs together, and just wait until you see what we do with this. You guys are gonna love this. Okay, that looks pretty much good. I'd say all those Oreos are really chopped up. Get rid of all the big chunks. You want everything to be nice and small in there. Okay, that looks perfect. All right. A little anger management therapy, little delicious treat. Love it. Then we'll just unzip this Ziploc bag. Here we made a nice tear right here, so we'll just open that all up. Look at that, all those cookie crumbles are right in there. Super easy. Just fold that back, hopefully it stays. Okay, good. Then grab your ice cream that you cut into 4 pieces, and see that? You're just gonna peel back that carton just like so, and then it reveals your little ice cream pop here. So you just wanna grab that right out. Look at that, how it's all on the stick right there. That's perfect. And we're gonna roll this around in these Oreo bits. Oh my gosh, we are just amplifying this ice cream right here. Rolling it all around in our Oreos. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna use my fingers to come around it just like this, so I can fully coat it in these pieces of Oreos. You guys, no joke. Look at how good this looks. Oh my gosh, how easy this is. I love this idea. This looks super yummy. Now, of course, if you wanted, you could definitely stick these back in the freezer to make them even harder to kind of refreeze and stick all those Oreo pieces. But for now, I'm gonna take a big bite of this, and I'm gonna do it with the rest of them, and then I'm gonna share it with the family. Wow. Love it. I love it. It doesn't get much better than this. You're welcome.